What's up, guys? I want to show you how to replace the broken tombstone. So as you see, we already replaced it, but it was broke when I was putting the light. It broke the tombstone, so I have to replace it. So the way you want to do it, so it's very easy. You can take it out with pushing 2 click next to the tombstone. So, and the way you want to put it back is the same, just you take it and push it in. So I took the old one off. This is the old one. Hold on. And I cut it. So you see here it was broke when I put the light. So, and the new one, you just need to push the wire in. Very simple. Push the wire in and you have to make a jump. You see that jump? And you just get it in and just push it. So push it until you hear the click. So I'm sorry my finger is on the video, but look, I put it in. So, and the way you wanna put it out, you just push one side first and then the other side. Push the other click, so, and you can take it out. So it's very simple. Just remember, don't forget to put that jumper to the light properly work. Thank you for watching. Make sure subscribe the channel. I will show you how to fix your home without paying anyone. So make sure to like and subscribe.